Hi there, it's Mr. Clark. Welcome to lesson 2.2.5 on compound partial divisions. So, in the previous lesson, we talked about how you can divide all of the microbeats to be 1 Vikiti Dhamma, 2 Vikiti Dhamma. You don't have to divide all of them. You could just divide one of them. So, if there are the three possibilities here: 1 Ki Dhamma, 2 Ki Dhamma, or 1 Kiti Da, 2 Kiti Da, or 1 Vikiti Da, 2 Vikiti Da. These are stretched out here to show you how they line up with each other, and the 1 Ki Da stays the same for all three. But here's an example down here, line 8, that uses all of them. So if we're looking at line 8, it would be said 1 Ki Dhamma, 2 Vikiti Da, 1 Kiti Da, 2, 1 Kiti Da, 2 Vikiti Da, 1 Ki Dhamma, 2. And that's the sort of thing you want to practice with until it's comfortable. You could also divide 2 of the 3 microbeats. So 1 Kiti Dhamma, 2 Kiti Dhamma, or 1 Vikiti Dhamma, 2 Vikiti Dhamma, or 1 Vikiti Da, 2 Vikiti Da. And again, just looking for an example that has all of them. So here's line 8. 1 Ki Dhamma, 2 Vikiti Dhamma, 1 Vikiti Da, 2 Vikiti Dhamma, 1 Vikiti Da, 2 Kiti Da, 1 Kiti Dhamma, 2. And one thing that you can think about as you're saying these rhythms is having a constant, what we call a subdivision, just going in your head. Your mind is chanting 1 Vikiti Dhamma, 2 Vikiti Dhamma, 1 Vikiti Dhamma, 2 Vikiti Dhamma, 1 Vikiti Dhamma, 1 Vikiti Dhamma. And you only say the syllables that you need. 1 Vikiti Dhamma, 2 Vikiti Dhamma, 1 Vikiti Dhamma, 1 Vikiti, or 2 Vikiti Dhamma, sorry. But the point is, you're imagining the syllables that you're not saying. I'm still on line 8. 1 Vikiti Dhamma, 2 Vikiti Dhamma, 1 Vikiti Dhamma, 2 Vikiti Dhamma, 1 Vikiti Dhamma, 1. I keep saying 1. But the point is, you can imagine the syllables that you're not saying, and that will help you associate the syllables with the rhythms. One more thing I want to mention, now that we're dealing with compound meters. We talked about the half rest and whole rest in simple time. You can use a dotted half rest. It's the same length as a dotted half note, so a dotted half rest plus a dotted half note will fill an entire bar of 12/8. We don't really use the dotted whole rest because a whole rest will fill a measure of any time signature. Regular old whole rest. So you can still use a whole rest in 6/8, 9/8, 12/8, whatever time signature you want. That's all I have for now, and I will see you next time.